Good afternoon, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2013 Ram 1500 Sport. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. And then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. Excuse me. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. Trying to get both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing the videos. You have a really good idea of what you're coming in to look at before you even come in. So, but as you can see, it has a rear tinted windows, a rain guards, dual exhaust, rear slider, tow pack, needs a bed liner. Down here on tire size. Tire size in there for you. This one's like the tech pack. Has a Sirius satellite radio in it. All of that. We'll get to that here in just a second. But as you can see, it is a Hemi. Plenty of power. Fog lights. Daytime running lights. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Power windows, power locks, fold-in mirrors, power seat. Let's get the condition of the leather cloth mix. The center console. Let's get the passenger seat here. The very back. Power rear slider, cup holders, rear air, power source. Some features up front here. Steering wheel controls, media center, four-wheel drive, the transmission, the factory tow assist. That is a nice add. Traction control, tow haul. An actual plug-in there. Is that there for the rear slider up there if it'll focus for me. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. I apologize, give me 1 second here, guys. Alright. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. Mind you, all of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau or Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, Google reviews speak for themselves. It's just, it has a remote start, but turn it over real quick. There's the mileage there. As you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. This does have Sirius satellite radio. It's a touch screen. You can control the climate, phone, all that there. Alright, let's go back to the engine. Turn on some lights here. Let you hear it run, turn along beautifully. Hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give me a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.